Here we are with the Ulefone T2 Pro. The smartphone features a big 6.7-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution and 19:9 aspect ratio, so it's longer than other smartphones on the market. The smartphone will feature an on-display fingerprint scanner, but right now it's not ready yet. And inside we will find a MediaTek Helio P70 with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. As you can see, the smartphone features really slim bezels. They're quite impressive. There is a top notch with the camera and other sensors and the speaker grill. And on the back we find 2 rear cameras. Yeah, it's quite exciting phone.